Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, got another one that came from James down in Lakeside, California. This is, man, I can't remember the name. It'll be in the title. But, this is a fancy looking rice Tantanmen. Look at that. I'm like, whoa. Looks like you do it up for 4 minutes. Let it steep for, or honestly, it looks like you boil it. Yeah, you boil it for 4 minutes. But it doesn't say the amount of water, which screams you drain it. And when you look at that picture, it looks like it's been drained. So that's how we're going with it. So let's turn the heat down a little. Just a minute, Mimi. Papa's working, as it were. That's a weird thing to say right now. I mean, it's not like it's new. I've been doing this for a while, but it's like, I always feel kind of like, should I even say that? Doesn't feel like it. I guess that's how it is for anybody who enjoys what they do. But so 4 minutes. There we go. Anyways, yeah. Freaking got up, got pictures done, then went and started doing apartment laps, and I got just I think like 11,000 in, and then we did the short walk because the long walk we wouldn't have made it to the library in time to do story time there. Yeah, it's all about, when it comes down to Thursdays, it's all about timing. If I can't time everything right, I'm screwed. I'll either have to wait somewhere for a really long time, or I won't make it, and I'm not going to barge in on all those people doing the story time thing. Basically, it's there's a lady, and she'll read out of a book and lead a couple little activities. I swear she must have been a teacher at some point, but nice lady. I've chatted with her before. She rides a bike on the trail that I walk the stroller on sometimes. So. And today, usually we'll go to the grocery store, get her cookie, do all that stuff. Then we'll go to the library. Not today because Miles is bus driver. She's always late, except for like twice when she's been like on time and then didn't wait. That's infuriating, let me tell you. But like yesterday, she got there at 7:50. She's supposed to be there at 7:27. Today, she got there at closer to 7:45. And yeah, so really late, about 20 minutes every time. Oh, I'm really sorry I'm late. It's like, you're late every time. Unless the one time you're freaking early. But it's funny too, because now, ever since the new year started, there's no other kids on the morning bus. It's just him, right? And now she's even later. So I don't know what to tell you. It's like, and you call into the bus people, they're like, oh, she's just a little behind today. It's like, what do you mean today? Freaking ridiculous. Freaking ridiculous. Get on the stick, lady. But anyways, Yeah, that right there messed up my entire plan of how to do stuff. Had to switch things around. But yeah. I had a guy, I had to take a leak super bad too. So we stopped by the McDonald's, went in there. And when I came out, there was like the guy who washes the windows. Kind of doofy dude. He's all, "Are those Christmas lights?" I'm like, actually, these lights are not affiliated with any organized religion at all. They're not even monotheistic lights. They're atheist lights. Huh? I'm like, I'm not repeating that. Maybe that was a sign from the Almighty, like, dude, there's your chance. If you say that again, this guy's gonna become unhinged. So I'm like, okay, I'll subscribe to it for 5 seconds just to see what happens. Yeah, I'll leave it alone. But yeah. Where'd you get those? I'm like, Amazon. You get everything on Amazon these. Oh. Clean those windows, buddy. Clean those windows. I was like really, really, really happy. Which is cool. I'm like really, really excitable. That's cool. Hopefully we get to see him again. I might not be like, I don't know. I like people that have like really peculiar personalities like that. I don't know why. I don't want to hang out, but I want little bits and pieces that I can get because they're fun to tell people about. My brother seems to do the same thing. It's like we collect stories about people, and by adding those stories and being able to relate image and meter of those humans' aspects, it's kind of like their weird talking points. I don't know, but yeah, I like collecting weird people to relate to other people. My favorite one, my wife gave me. She used to work at Rite Aid down in Seattle. God, what was it called? I can't remember. Wedgwood. Anyways, there was this crazy lady, and don't get all like, oh, you shouldn't call people crazy. You shouldn't. That's just not. Well, hold on. She was in the store. She like wandered around that neighborhood a lot. And I got to see her once. She's like, "There's that lady I was telling you about." I'm like, "No way, wow, we should stop and talk to her." She's like, "Oh no." Because this lady like will mutter and stuff and clearly has some serious psychological problems. But one thing that she did, she told them about, started yelling at people and telling them about teriyaki. Why? Because she wanted everybody to know that the Asians were grinding up white babies and putting them in the teriyaki. This is a white lady, and it wasn't a racial thing. Well, I don't know what you want. It was a weird thing. Like, you know they're putting the babies in the teriyaki! Wow! It's like, all I want is like hours and hours and hours of video of people like that. That just follows them around, you know? I just want silent drones. Silent cloaked drones to follow around really weird people. And just record their interactions. I think that'd be fascinating, don't you? I'd watch that channel 24/7, yo. Wouldn't you? Yeah, you wouldn't? What's wrong with you? Anyways, here's our rice noodle tantanmen. It's basically like noodles and sauce. I guess it all comes down to the taste. It had a long name to it. Words that I don't know. That's, yes. I would give that a Jeff Goldblum. Yes. It's noodles and that is an impersonation I want to be able to do like the back of my hand and like Jeff Goldblum. I want to be able to speak like Jeff Goldblum all the time, all day long, and then just like switch over to Christopher Walken. I think that would be really nice. Can somebody arrange that for me for Christmas? I know, Christmas already happened. But what, did they cancel it for next year? Come on. It's coming. I mean, I have a feeling. It's not an itchy feeling. Man, I am so behind schedule today. It's already 12:30. Crap. Well, luckily, I have more of this wonderful ground pork melange going right here. Try it. Oh man. I'm telling you right now, if you haven't tried this stuff, there's two kinds that I've had. I love them both. Let me show you. They're called Chili Crisp. This is probably the most well-known. Called Lao Gan Ma Spicy Chili Crisp. Look for the friend. Hello, I'm your friend. Lao Gan Ma, Laoganma, separated by spaces, or you could put it all together, I'm sure. Spicy Chili Crisp. Wonderful stuff, mind-blowingly good. Spicy, a little, not too much. Then there's this one. This is Fly By Jing Szechuan Chili Crisp. That's very good too. Of the two, oh, it's hard to say. I mean, they both have little differences that I like about them. So the Szechuan, the Fly By Jing one, that's fancy. That came from the folks at Vite Ramen. That I was like, hey. They were like, hey! Because when you first try Chili Crisp, you have to tell everyone about it. And if you don't, you're like doing it wrong. I don't know. This is not looking all that wonderful there. Oh yeah, that's fine. That's doable, right? You like it. You like it. Don't. Yeah, it's like a mountain. There's a little road. See what I'm doing here? Got a little road. It's like a diorama. A little road, a little street, strasse. And we've got some spring onion undulations. Boy, I gotta really hurry. Got some sesame seeds. Why do I have to hurry? Well, basically because my kid gets off the bus in like just over 2 hours, and I've got to actually, I just took pictures this morning. I didn't do everything, so there's a lot more I got to do. Including, I got to get her drink, and then read her like 4 stories and put her down before I can even get to that. And it might not sound like it's a lot, but it's time consuming. You know, not a bad thing, but it's how it works. Did I just cover up? No, I didn't. Good. Anyways, yeah, this is tasty, and it's a rice noodle tantanmen. So if you have a Nijia market near you, they might still have it, which would be rad. But for now, I'm gonna rotate this and play some music. So here we go. Oh no! My speaker's dying. Oh, yay! My absolutely wonderful wife was kind enough to get me a 6-pack of Diet Mountain Dew. I never asked her; she just did it because she knows me. That's a big, big, big thing, folks. I know my lady, and my lady knows me. Oh wow! Actually, no, not about that. I'm looking at the clock, but yeah. There's something about being connected. It's important. Have a good one. Bye.